Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show how to delete account in QuillBot 2026. First, open your browser and go to the QuillBot website, then log in to the account you want to delete. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're signed into the correct one by confirming your email. Next, click on your profile icon in the top corner and open the menu. From there, select Contact Us to access the support form where you can submit your request. Once the form opens, choose Manage Account from the category dropdown. This ensures your request goes to the right team. In the subject field, type Account Deletion so your request is clear and easy to understand. In the description box, write a short and polite message requesting deletion of your account. You can include a simple reason, such as privacy concerns or no longer needing the service. Avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords or payment details. If prompted, use the same email address linked to your account so support can verify your identity quickly. Before submitting, keep in mind that deleting your account is usually permanent. You may lose saved documents, history, and settings, so back up anything important beforehand. If you have an active subscription, you can mention it in your message so support can guide you properly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.